Hi, thank you for checking my video. In this video, we're going to look at day 2 of your first funnel challenge. Day 2 of your first funnel challenge. And make sure when you click the link below, you get to go to open to this page where you can register for your first funnel challenge. And according to the Russell Brunson says, give us just 90 minutes a day. And over the next 5 days, they will show you how to quickly launch your idea and turn it into a business that you are proud of. And this can work even if you currently have no tech skills, don't have a product, or have no idea what a funnel is yet. So click the link below to get access to this page where you can input your email address and click join the first challenge for free. This is the day 2 of the challenge, and with a special surprise guest, John. So let's look at what we are going to cover in day 2. We have other special guests like Jamie Cross, Stacy Paul Martino, Greta J. White, Ernest Grace, and so on. So your first funnel challenge will walk you through step by step how to bootstrap your idea and launch into the world with a funnel. So the one started yesterday, which was funnel hacking, and today is day 2, your first funnel. So on day 2, they will show you the first funnel everyone should build, regardless of your industry you are in. And this is when we start plugging stuff into your funnel, prepare it to go live. So we will walk you through today's having learned the single greatest funnel that magnetically attracts customers to you without having to seize or spend a ton of money on ad. How to quickly construct irresistible throat-grabbing headline that practically force customers to sit up, pay attention, and buy. Then the email follow-up. You will discover the 5 core email everyone must have if you love sales, and how to easily write them in a single afternoon, even if you think you suck at writing. So click the link below to get access to this page and click join your first funnel challenge for free. So you click the link below, then you go to open to this page where you can subscribe to the day 2 of your first funnel challenge. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget, click the link below to get access to this page and join the training.